all, welcome to the channel. This is Astha, and guys, today in this video I'm going to share with you all the detailed interview experience of a candidate with Accenture company. Okay, from the day he applied to the day he given the interview. I'm going to share the complete journey of the candidate who has given the interview for associate software engineer profile in Accenture company. I'll give you all the details date wise as it is experience of Ankur Omar. I would really like to thank Ankur for sharing his interview experience with me, so that all other candidates will get an idea how the Accenture interview is going on, how much time they took to for all the interview rounds. Okay, along with that I'm sharing all the as it is interview questions also, and how you need to answer those questions so that you all can prepare yourself. Okay, so this is the mail that I received from Ankur. I had an interaction with him about his experience, about his journey of interview experience with Accenture company. That's what I'm sharing with you all. So guys, just do watch the video completely so that you'll get a complete idea how you have to prepare yourself for the Accenture interviews. Okay, so guys, he belongs to computer science branch, CSE branch. Okay, and he belongs to 2021 batch, and he applied for Accenture interviews on in the mid of April 2021. Okay, on 28th of April he received a mail from the company for the schedule of the process. Okay, and on 5th of May 2021 he had given cognitive test and the technical test. In cognitive and technical test, as you all know, there were 90 questions, and you have to solve all those questions within 90 minutes. After solving the questions, he waited for 5 to 10 minutes for the next round. That was the coding test. After clearing the cognitive test in coding round, there were 2 questions present there, and one question is easy level and the another question was a little bit difficult. According to him, the medium of the test, the difficulty level is medium. Okay, so he was able to solve both the questions. So guys, in coding round he solved both the questions. Then after clearing this round, 2 to 3 days he have to wait for 2 to 3 days. Okay, after 3 days he received a mail for the communication test. Had given that communication test on 10th of May. Okay guys, on 5th of May he given cognitive and technical test, and then he got a mail for communication test on 10th of May. Okay, so there is a 5 days difference, and then after clearing all the 3 rounds, cognitive test, technical test, and then communication test on 10th of May, he received an interview mail on 14th of May. Okay, so his interview was scheduled on 17th of May. So this is the days, this much time Accenture company took him to arrange his interview. Okay, then he went for the interview on 17th of May. Here he has shared all his preparation strategy and preparation tips. Along with that, he shared his actually asked questions during the interview. So I'm going to share all the questions with you, and I'm going to tell you how you need to answer those questions. Okay, so here he has shared his interview preparation strategy also. He just focused more on his projects. In resume he mentioned 3 to 4 projects, and he requesting all the students who is going to give the interview to please focus on your mini and major projects. Okay, along with that, you need to prepare your resume very well. Interviewer may ask some questions from resume also. Okay, learn basics of programming languages. Whatever languages you have mentioned in the resume, they're going to ask you questions on that. Why he's mentioning all these things? Because he got questions from the language he mentioned in the resume. Okay, we'll see all his actually asked questions also. Here he has given one tip also for all the candidates to keep yourself cool and be confident during the interview. Interviewer will be checking your communication skills and your attitude. Okay, so this is his tips for all the candidates who are waiting for their interviews. Now guys, I'm going to share all the actually asked questions of Ankur during the interview. First he asked them, the interviewer asked him, tell me something about yourself. Okay, so guys, as I already told you, you all have to prepare this question. You will 90% you will receive this question, and this question you need to answer very correctly. Okay, then tell me about your mini projects. Then what is your contribution in this project? Okay, then explain your major project. Is it a team project? If yes, then what is your contribution in this project? What is Java? Because Ankur mentioned Java in his resume, that's why I started asking questions on Java. Then what is polymorphism? What is encapsulation? Have you done any certification courses? Okay. as I already told you guys in my previous videos, if you are new one or if you are first time watching my videos, then I would like to tell you guys, in Accenture company they have added weightage for certifications. If you have done good certification courses and you're resuming in your and you're mentioning in your resume you have knowledge on all those skills, guys, this company Accenture, they'll give you extra marks during the interview for certification courses. Around 20 marks something they have for certification courses. If you have done some good quality certification courses and you have knowledge also, they're going to ask you some questions based on those certification courses, and if you able to answer those questions, they'll check you on that and they'll give you some extra marks for that. Okay, so if you have done any certification courses, do mention in your resume, but do check whether you have complete knowledge on that or not. You should have complete knowledge, then you need to mention that thing in your resume. Asked himself, tell me something about your family. What is the regretful moment in your life? Do you have any questions for us? So guys, this is the list of questions that were asked during the interview questions. These are the actually asked interview questions of Ankur. So guys, now I'm telling you how you need to answer these questions. See guys, as I've already prepared a separate video, detailed video on all these questions. 90% questions are same that I've already shared with you all in my previous video of Accenture interview questions. I'll give you a link also in the I button, and description box also. I have prepared a complete playlist of Accenture company with interview experiences of so many candidates actually asked interview questions, how you need to answer those questions, how you need to do preparation. Everything I have shared on my channel, guys. So if you are new one, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel if you're preparing for any off-campus drive, especially Accenture. Okay, now I would like to tell you in this part side, guys, first question, that is, tell me something about yourself. That is the tricky question. Actually, the interviewer asked that question just to check your confidence level, your communication skills, and he wanted to know actually what is the most important part about you that he should judge. Okay, what he should ask next. So that's what you need to give him in this answer, guys. You just need to give your brief introduction about your educational background, your college name, your branch, your stream, your percentage. Then you need to mention those things which are really important and that matters in this interview. Okay, you need to mention your skills which will going to help you during your job in the Accenture company. Okay, so according to the profile, whatever certification courses you are having, whatever skills you are having, in whatever language, programming language you are very good at, okay, you need to mention those things here, so that he will be able to ask you next questions based on those things. Because in this interview, the interviewer don't want to know your background, your family history, or your life story. Okay, he just wanted to know what is most important in you that will going to help Accenture company, that will going to help you in your job role. Okay, so you need to mention all those skills, all those projects if you have done, guys, and if you know very well mini major both the projects, you need to mention those projects here. Okay, and you should have detailed information about your project also, because you need to mention that you have knowledge and you need to deliver that thing. That's why, guys, I'm telling you in all my videos that you need to prepare yourself, you need to prepare your resume questions, the detailed resume. You should know whatever technical words you are mentioning in your CV, programming languages, your projects, your certification courses, any skills, hobbies, anything, whatever you're mentioning in your resume, you should know that thing. Okay, but here I would like to tell you one more thing, because I am in interaction with all the candidates who are giving interview with Accenture company. Last 10 to 15 days I'm in contact with all the candidates. So guys, after collecting data from so many candidates, based on that I came to a conclusion that this time Accenture interview are not that much difficult. You can crack it. Okay, because technical questions बहुत कम हो रहे हैं, guys. They are focusing mainly on your communication skills and your confidence level only. So guys, with my professional experience, HR experience, I can tell you one thing. If you give the answer of tell me about yourself very confidently and with good communication skills, okay, you don't have to do grammatical mistakes there, you don't have to be nervous, you don't have to give wrong answers. Okay, that is sufficient, more than sufficient. Trust the interviewer, then only he is able to decide whether he want to listen to you in the entire interview, or he just make his mind to what is a decision. Okay, so guys, to give your interview a right direction, please prepare this question nicely. Mention all those skills that you really know and that will going to help you during your Accenture software engineers profile. Okay, so prepare all these things. All the best, guys, and this time interview crack करना इतना मुश्किल नहीं है. You just need to focus on your personality, be professional, look professional, okay, behave professional, have all those manners, and keep a slight smile on your face, be confident, at least look confident, okay, that you are able to handle all the situations. That's why they are asking most of the questions, the situation based questions, okay. Like to Ankur also, they asked ki, what is the regretful moment of your life, to check his behavior, to check his personality. So this is the way they check you on your psychometric part, on your behavior part, on your communication skills, by asking your background, your family background. They'll check about your communication skills. So guys, please prepare all this, prepare your resume very nicely. You have to prepare all the things, all technical terms, hobbies, skills, whatever you are mentioning in your resume, you should have basic idea of all these things, okay. I've shared all these things in all my videos, guys. Please do watch the complete detail of Accenture interviews. That will really help you out. That will hardly take you 15 to 20 minutes, but you will get the complete idea how you have to prepare for Accenture interview. Along with that, I have shared so many interview experiences also of candidates actually asked interview questions. You have to prepare all those questions. And guys, all the questions I have shared in my Accenture interview question and answers, all the tips and details I have already given to you how you have to prepare. Do watch that video, that will really help you out, okay. So all the best, guys, and please, I'm requesting all other candidates also who have given the interview, if you want, you can share your experiences with me, so that I can share those questions, those experience with all other candidates, and that help to all the other candidates, okay. Let's help each other, guys. Hope this video will going to help you all during your interviews preparation. All the best, guys, and please do subscribe to the channel if you are preparing for any off-campus drive, or if you are looking for a job in a software industry or MNC. I am used to share daily job updates on my channel on regular basis about all the MNC companies. So please do subscribe to the channel and share this video with as many people as you can in your WhatsApp groups, in your college groups, so that maximum can get a benefit of it. Thank you, guys.